Ever get right in the middle of like a super intense gaming session and suddenly lag?
Ugh, tell me about it.
Yeah, like you're right on the edge of victory and your system just chokes.
Yep,
So frustrating, right?
it is, yeah.
Well, it could be because your CPU or GPU is getting way too hot. It's
Yeah.
called thermal throttling, and it's like your computer hitting the brakes to avoid a meltdown.
Basically, yeah, it slows itself down to prevent damage.
Makes sense, but still annoying.
Totally.
Well, we're going deep on custom PC cooling today,
Oh, nice.
using an awesome real-world example from West LA computer expert. This builder tackled thermal throttling head-on by creating a custom water-cooled PC.
Ambitious.
Super ambitious. And get this, their journey started with courses they took at Santa Monica College.
See, that's what I love, the connection between learning and doing.
Totally. SMC has this great computer science program, right?
Yeah, they've got courses on everything from computer hardware to programming languages.
I bet those courses gave this builder the foundation they needed to tackle this kind of project.
Oh, absolutely.
So let's break it down for our listeners. Imagine your CPU is working hard, it heats up.
Right.
A regular fan might not be enough to keep it cool, so things start to slow down.
Yep, that's when you start seeing the lag.
Exactly. So this builder went with water cooling, which is a whole other level.
Way more efficient at dissipating heat.
Okay, so how does water cooling even work?
Think of it like a car's radiator system.
Oh, okay.
You've got a water block that attaches to your CPU,
Okay.
a pump to circulate the coolant, a radiator to release the heat, and tubing to connect it all.
So basically like plumbing, but for your PC.
Pretty much, yeah.
I can picture all these tubes running through the case.
Oh, yeah, and in the West LA computer expert build, they had to be super careful about where they put everything.
I bet.
Yeah, they used flexible tubing to fit in those tight spaces, which is a smart move.
Good tip.
Definitely.
Now, you mentioned maintenance earlier.
Right.
What's involved in keeping a water-cooled system in tip-top shape?
Well, you'll need to clean it every so often and maybe top up the coolant, but it's not a constant thing.
Not too bad.
No, it's a small price to pay for the performance gains.
Like changing the oil in your car.
Exactly.
So all this work, all these components, did it actually solve the problem?
Oh, for sure.
Tell me more.
The West LA computer expert build went through a ton of testing, and the water cooling kept those temperatures way lower.
Awesome.
Smoother gameplay, higher frame rates, no more lag.
That's the dream.
It is.
And to think, this all started with classes at Santa Monica College. What specific courses would you recommend for someone interested in custom PC building?
Well, SMC has some really great offerings. They've got courses on computer hardware, they've got programming, even system administration.
So someone could go from taking those courses to building their own beast of a PC.
Oh, definitely. They learn how to choose the right components, put it all together, and even troubleshoot problems.
That's wild.
Oh.
So for our listeners out there, if your system is holding you back, maybe it's time to check out Santa Monica College.
Couldn't agree more.
This builder proves that you can go from the classroom to creating a high-performance machine.
It's amazing what you can do with the right knowledge.
Totally. So what tech project are you dreaming of? What seems impossible now, but could be within reach with the right skills? Think about it.
Yeah,
Keep that in mind as you plan your next build.
great advice.
That's all the time we have for this deep dive. Thanks for listening.
Thanks, everyone.